Hello, boys and girls. Hello, welcome back to our new video. We will continue the textbook, right? Still in Unit 13, pollution, right? And let's remind back what we did last week. We did some writing. I asked you to write something on your exercise 1 or exercise 2. Well, some of you already gave me your work and sent me the picture, but many of you still not do the work and not sending me the picture. So I hope you will do that one and then send the picture as quickly as you can. All right. So we will continue. So for today, I'm still going to teach you on writing, alright, by using Unit 13 pollution. So this is the page. If you have your textbook, you can open it in page 115, 115, okay? So we are going to do the writing on this one, how to reduce pollution, which is air pollution, land pollution, water pollution. Okay, alright. So if you have your textbook, you can open this one, this page. Okay, so for the first one, no, before that, what we will do in this lesson is, number one, we're going to read this one first. All of these, we're going to read all of these, and after that I will teach you how to write, okay? And after that I will ask you to write yourself in your exercise book, okay? Right, so before we start, let's read. Okay, let's read about how to reduce pollution, how we want to make pollution become less. Of course, it's very hard to make the pollution goes away. It's very hard. So how to reduce, how to make it less, whether it's air pollution, land pollution, or water pollution. Okay, so number one, let's read together with me. Plant more trees in our gardens. Okay, we should plant more trees in our garden. Why we should plant more trees? You see, air pollution happen because there are too many smoke and dangerous, all those dangerous smoke which we inhale, we breathe in, we smell that smoke, so it makes us hard to breathe. So when we plant more trees, you see, if you read about trees give out oxygen. They will take inside the carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide. I am not sure about that. Okay, all those smoke, they will take it inside and then they will produce more oxygen. Okay, so what this oxygen do to us? It makes us, give us more air, easy to breathe. We breathe, we need oxygen. Okay, so number one, plant more trees in our gardens. Number two, follow me, do not burn rubbish in the open. So do not burn rubbish in the open means you cannot simply just go outside there anywhere and then just burn everything. You see, many people just burn the rubbish in the open area. So it actually not good. Okay, it's actually not good. And when you do open burning, you create smoke. When you create smoke, it's not good for our environment, it will create more air pollution. Okay. Number 3, take public transport. Take public transport. So usually we take to read why we should take public transport. What is public transport? Public transport is, for example, the bus, the taxi, or now you call it Grab. We should use more public transport. Why? Because the more we use public transport, the more we use the car less. Okay. So when there are not many cars on the road, so will there be any will there be more smoke? Of course not. Okay. So that's done. We're done for the air. Let's go for the land. Okay. Cut down on the amount of rubbish that we produce. You see, every day we have a lot of rubbish because of us. You see, we throw a lot of rubbish. So what should we do to reduce land pollution? I'm talking about land pollution. Is number 1, reduce the amount of rubbish that we produce. If you didn't throw out a lot of rubbish, will there be land pollution? Might not. Okay. So number 2, ready? Recycle old batteries, glass, paper, and aluminum cans. So you see, old battery, glass, paper, aluminum cans. For example, I have here plastic. Right? But not all plastic can be recycled. Not all. But we can recycle it. We use one more time. Okay? Just put inside recycle bin, and then it's a good habit. Okay? It's a good thing. Recycle all the material. Not all the material. Recycle some of the material that we can recycle. Okay? Number 3, reuse glass bottles and plastic bags. So just like recycle, we can also reuse, use one more time. Okay, right? Because if we reuse one more time, we no need to throw that rubbish. Okay, for example, if we have plastic bag that we can use one more time, reuse, so we no need to throw that plastic bag. Okay, we can use it one more time. We can use it, right? So that's how to reduce land pollution. Now, water pollution. How to reduce water pollution? Number 1, ready? Do not throw oil, paint, or medicine into drains. You see, I want you Google the word drain in Chinese, because I don't know what is the meaning of drain in Chinese. So you see, some people, they want an easy work. So what they do is they just throw everything into the drain, and then the drain will become stuck. Stuck because there's a lot of things inside the drain. So actually, it's not good. Okay, it will lead, if you throw everything into the drain, and then it also will lead into water pollution. Okay. Number 2, do not throw rubbish into rivers and seas. Yes, this is what we should not do. Every time we go to the river or the sea or the beach, don't throw everything there. Some people throw plastic, straw. Some people throw bottles, a lot of things just throw inside the river or the seas. No, it's not really good. Okay, you will pollute the water if you do that. And remember, inside that water, whether it's river or whether it's seas, there are animals inside. Okay, there are animals in that rivers or in that seas. So sometimes when you throw small things like plastic straw, okay, some animals think this is a food, that is a food, so they will eat it. Okay, that's why you can see some animals die from the plastic straw. So it's not really good, okay? So don't do that. And number 3, do not use too much pesticides and fertilizers on our plants. Okay, I want you Google yourself pesticides and fertilizers. Actually, fertilizers we is a thing that is a material that we use to make our plant grow. Now you see, fertilizers got two types. One is chemical fertilizers, but there are also organic fertilizers. So the one that is safe, which is good, is organic fertilizer. Okay, on the plants. Alright, so we're done reading this one. Let's write. Okay, what I will do is I will write about how to reduce air pollution by using these 3 points. Plant more trees in our gardens, do not burn rubbish in the open, take public transport. I will use these 3 points, I will write. Okay, so in your textbook, if you can see, they are already these sentences. Okay, so let's read. To reduce air pollution, we should plant more trees in our garden. Okay, as you can see here, alright, this word, plant more trees in our garden. Actually, this is the first point. You see, this is the first point. So what they do is they put we should. We will use 2 phrases. Number 1, we should, and also got another one, we should not. Now what is the difference? We should if the statement or the point is like a yes. Yes, we have to do this. Yes. So we use we should. But if the point is like no, we cannot do this. So we use we should not. Okay? Alright. I'll give you example. Let's see this one. Plant more trees in our garden. Is this a yes or no? It's a yes. Do not burn rubbish. Do not. Yes or no? It's a no statement. No, you cannot do this. So we put no. Take public transport. Is it a yes or no? Yes. Okay. So in another word, we use we should if it's a positive. We call it positive statement. We should not if it's negative statement. Okay. Positive, negative, like that. Okay. Right. Can I wait. I want to erase all ink on the slide. Alright. Okay, I will show you the example of how we should write the point by using we should. Remember, we should is positive, the yes one. Okay, right. So what we do is we just use we should and then take the point, continue it here. We should plant more trees in our garden. That's it, because this is a yes one. Okay, remember yes one. We should. next one, I will show you how to write if it's a negative statement. No, cannot do that. Okay, we should not. Now in this one, can you tell me where is the negative statement? Yes, of course, this one. Do not burn rubbish. Okay, do not burn rubbish. So we write, we should not burn rubbish in the open. Okay, please look here. You see, we take from here until here. We should not burn rubbish in the open. Do not burn rubbish in the open. Now remember, when we take we should not, don't take the word do. No more do. We should not, we should do not. No, it's wrong. If when you write we should not, it means cannot already. Okay, no more already. No, cannot. Okay, so what you do is you just say we should not burn rubbish in the open. That's it. Okay, remember the word do. Okay, no more. No need to write. Okay, we should not burn rubbish in the open. Okay, so far everybody can understand that, right? If you not understand, you can write in the comment section. Okay, write in the comment, teacher, I cannot understand. All right. Okay, so right now I will show you one more time. I want to use this one to write this one. Okay, we will just put inside. Remember, we use two phrases: we should not, we should not. Okay, so let's write. So the first one is, I'm going to copy first. Alright, so let's copy. To reduce air pollution, we should plant more trees in our gardens. Now we should, now remember, okay, right now we already have the first point done already. The first point is here, plant more trees in our garden. So for the second point, where should we take here, this one. Okay, so we should do, second point is do not burn rubbish in the open. So where should we take? Here. We should not. Remember, no need to write do. Okay, so second point is we should not burn rubbish in the open. Done. Okay, and for the third point, again, copy again, we should take this one, the third point. Okay, the third point, take public transport. Done. Finish. Okay, now we already finished for the air pollution. Let's go to the next one. Oh, sorry. Okay, now just now we write about air pollution. Now I want to teach you how to write using land pollution. Same, use we should not. Remember, if there is negative statement, use we should not. If there is no negative statement, positive statement, we use we should. But this one, okay, you see here, please alert to reduce. Now we are writing about what pollution we are writing now? We are writing about land pollution. So be careful. So we write to reduce what pollution? Land pollution. Okay, to reduce land pollution, we should, okay, don't copy this one no more. This is for air pollution. So take the first point. We should what should we do? We should take this one, cut down on the amount of rubbish that we produce. Finish first point. Okay, the second point, we should what? Okay, take the second one here. This one, second. We should recycle all no, sorry, I got it wrong here. Recycle all batteries, glass, paper, and aluminium cans. And the last one is take the third point here. Same. Remember, when there is no negative statement, you no need to use we should not. Okay, so you see here that are there any do not? No, we don't have any do not here, so no need to use that. So again, we should reuse glass bottles and plastic bags. Done. Finish. Okay, it's really easy. Just use we should not, we should not. Okay, right. Okay, now this is your work. Number one. All right, number one, use your exercise 1 or exercise 2. All right, if you don't have exercise 1 or exercise 2, use any paper. Okay, don't ask me, Mr. Kwan, I don't have exercise 1, I don't have exercise 2 leh. Use any paper. Okay, any paper, just write. Okay, number 2, carefully carefully listen to this one. Listen to this one carefully. Copy the writing of air pollution and land pollution. Just now I taught you already air pollution, land pollution. So what you need to do, copy this one first. Write. Okay, write this one first. I will put inside the Google Classroom the picture. Okay, no, I won't put, because you will not watch this video. Okay, so what you can do is, right, when you play this video, you just click pause and then you write. I don't want to put the picture inside, because why? If I put this picture inside, you will not watch this video. Okay, you just simply write, and then when you not watch the video, you just write air pollution and land pollution. No, I don't want that. Okay, so I want you pause this video, write this one, air pollution, land pollution, because after that you have to write your own water pollution. Water pollution, you write yourself. Okay, so you have 3 paragraphs: air pollution, land pollution, and water pollution. Water pollution, you do it yourself. Okay, so once you have finished the writing, snap a picture and give it to me. Take a picture, give it to me. If you don't know how to take the picture, okay, I already give you one video. Look at your Google Classroom stream. I already give you one video. Please watch that video, how to attach the picture. Okay, please watch that video if you don't know. Okay, I want the picture of your work. And last but not least, boys and girls, don't forget to click hand in or turn in once you have finished your work. This one I told you many times already. Okay, if you finish your work, please click hand in or turn in, because if you don't click, I cannot see your work. It means you not give me your work. Okay, please, 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 please. Alright, so that's all for now. I will alright, this one. Okay, don't forget, copy this one first, air pollution. You can pause the video and then write. Pause the video now, write. And also write about land pollution. Pause the video, write this one. Okay, land pollution. That's all for now. I will see you next time. Don't worry and don't forget, please do the work. Okay, please, 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 please do the work. Okay, any problem, please write in the comment. Right, I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.